My name is Cullen Wright, and I'm excited and honored to be the director of our Veterans Initiative program here at Advocate. We're the perfect place for this noble pursuit. Just in our leadership team, we have over 100 years of military experience. We're veteran-owned and veteran-operated. This makes us uniquely qualified to do the two pieces of the Veterans Initiative program. First, we assist veterans with their earned benefits. Surprisingly, out of the 22 million veterans in the United States, only 9.11 million are even enrolled for their VA benefits, to name only one source of veterans benefits. We have a Veterans Services Officer on staff, Mark Conrad, who can help you with this process. After we've gotten the maximized effect out of your earned benefits, then we have access to a second set of government subsidized benefits that many veterans don't use properly, or even know about. So, to my fellow veterans, we look forward to serving those who have served.